Hello there! Thank you for your request. We're glad that you found our software useful. As we've already mentioned, if you want to start using it for advertising management, you need to prepare an Excel file so that you can successfully transfer all the information about ad spaces to ad-map.com. It's a simple process, and in this video we'll show you an example of how you should prepare your data. First of all, open a file with an example of a database. You'll find it in the attachments to the letter we've sent you. As you can see, there are 11 columns and 10 of them are required to be filled. The first one is ID. It should always be unique. For instance, our billboard on Adderley Street has 2 sides and both of them have different IDs. This field is especially useful when you have a lot of ad spaces with the same location. Using ID, you can easily find the one that you need. There are no rules for ID naming, so you can use names that are convenient for you. The next column is address. You can write it in any format, but try to use the same pattern for all ad spaces. Then we have a side column. For example, you have a billboard which has 2 sides, A and B. The next field is light. It's pretty simple. You either have it or not. In the type field, you put the type of your ad space. For instance, billboard, satellite, screen, or any other that you have. Then there's width and height, longitude and latitude that are needed for Google Maps. Otherwise, your ad spaces will not be seen on the map. The next step is to fill the price. You write it without currency because you can set it in the software. So, we've covered 10 required columns. You can also add others. For example, we assume that in our case, the filled city would be relevant, as the advertising agency operates around the home in different locations. You can add as many additional fields as you need. The only thing left to do is to organize your transferring data in the same way, and we're ready to work. If you have any questions, contact us via email and we'll answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.